So I got these tea towels on clearance at some home store, but I also used just cheesecloth burp rags is what we used to call them, plain white. You can get them at Walmart. They're awesome. You can get them off of Amazon. So the first time you use your stamps, you have to season them. If you forget, it's still going to work. It's going to be fine. You just do it just as fast as I did it there, just a little bit. You never have to do it again. You can just clean them with baby wipes or Lysol wipes. Load my ink stamp here. Just stamp it. The thing about fabric right there, see how I got it on the part it shouldn't be? It's not forgiving. So take a baby wipe and wipe it off so that it doesn't transfer onto your fabric. On wood, it's a hard surface, so it's easier to not do that. As you've seen, I ironed the wrinkles out because the stamp will not work as pretty and detailed if there are wrinkles in it. So I just kind of figured out my composition where I wanted things. You can cut these stamps as you see me do, or you can leave it all in one piece. I like to cut them and I like to leave that hard plastic mount on the back. Okay, right here I messed up. I had the right orientation instead of the left. So you got to kind of watch that. I was able to catch myself and it worked fine. You can wash your material and dry it to be safe depending on what level you're doing. I didn't care on these, so we didn't. But don't put fabric softener in your wash if you do that. And then at the end, you will heat set it with an iron and then throw it in your dryer on high for 20 minutes and it should wash up fine. I have found some fabrics I've did all the right things and it faded out, but a lot of fabrics don't. So it's a little bit of a gamble. So don't use your heirloom quilt from great granny, but it's a tea towel. So let's just go for it. I use my DIY clay paint with this brayer instead of the iron orchid ink, and that works beautifully too. I find the ink is a little bit more detailed in the stamps, but I have had both work fine. Same technique, heat set it, throw it in the dryer, it works fine. I don't use a fabric medium. I don't seal it. I don't do anything. It works. I release a lifestyle video every Wednesday and a DIY crafting type thing every Friday. Would love to have you like and subscribe and comment. All the links I used in this video are in the description box, and you can find me a lot of other places doing a lot of other things. I even have a God YouTube channel, Bible study type thing called The Creator's Pearl. You can check that out as well. Would love to see you on my Facebook. I'm pretty active over there. Everything is decorating your life. Thanks for watching. I have a lot of other videos using the stamps on wood, fabric, walls, just so many ways you can use this. You can use it on gift bags, on craft paper, for wrapping paper. It's endless what you can do with these. It's a really good investment. I did both sides so that it was a little different when you flip it over. So I did one pointing up and one pointing down. You got to kind of think about that. Here is Ree. She approves. She's like, drop me some food off that stove, please.